How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from England. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it very much. Where do you live? I live in London. Are you married? No, I'm not. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What are your hobbies? I enjoy reading and traveling. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do in your free time? I like to watch movies or read books. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball. How do you usually spend your weekends? I spend time with friends or family. Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I love traveling. What's your favorite holiday destination? I love visiting Paris. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. What kind of music do you like? I enjoy pop music. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy reading a lot. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice. Do you watch TV shows? Yes, I watch them regularly. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite show is Friends. Do you prefer movies or TV shows? I prefer movies. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. Do you like cooking? Yes, I love cooking. What's your favorite dish to cook? I love cooking pasta. Do you like shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping. Where do you usually shop? I usually shop online. Do you like to go to the beach? Yes, I love going to the beach. What's your favorite season? I love summer. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak German. How long have you been learning English? I've been learning for 5 years. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer tea. How do you usually relax? I relax by reading or listening to music. What's your favorite type of weather? I like sunny weather. Do you prefer the city or the countryside? I prefer the countryside. Do you like to work out? Yes, I enjoy working out. How often do you go out with friends? I go out with friends once a week. What's your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is a local Italian place. Do you like fast food? Yes, but only occasionally. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have cereal and fruit. Do you like to read the news? Yes, I read the news every day. What's your favorite social media platform? I prefer Instagram. Do you use social media often? Yes, I use it every day. Do you like going to the cinema? Yes, I love watching movies in the cinema. What kind of movies do you like? I like action and comedy movies. Do you like art? Yes, I enjoy visiting art galleries. What kind of art do you like? I like modern art. Do you like to dance? Yes, I enjoy dancing. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? I prefer watching movies. What's your dream job? My dream job is to be a travel writer. Do you like to work in teams? Yes, I enjoy teamwork. Do you prefer working from home or the office? I prefer working from home. Do you like public speaking? No, I'm a bit nervous about public speaking. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. How do you usually get to work or school? I take the bus. Do you like driving? Yes, I enjoy driving. What's your favorite type of transportation? I like traveling by train. Do you enjoy hiking? Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. What's your favorite activity on a rainy day? I like staying in and watching movies. Do you prefer the morning or the evening? I'm more of an evening person. Do you like going to parties? Yes, I enjoy going to parties. Do you like playing video games? Yes, I play video games sometimes. What's your favorite video game? My favorite game is FIFA. Do you like to swim? Yes, I enjoy swimming. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? I like to relax and watch TV. Do you like board games? Yes, I love playing Monopoly. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I find it relaxing. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I love learning new skills. Do you prefer texting or calling? I prefer texting. Do you like watching the news? Yes, I try to stay updated. Do you prefer cats or dogs? I prefer dogs. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. What's your favorite snack? I love chips. Do you like camping? Yes, I enjoy camping outdoors. Do you like taking photos? Yes, I enjoy photography. Do you like listening to podcasts? Yes, I listen to podcasts daily. Do you like to work alone or in a group? I prefer working in a group. What's your favorite thing to do at the weekend? I like hanging out with friends. Do you like to travel by plane? Yes, I enjoy flying. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Do you like skiing? Yes, I enjoy skiing in the winter. Do you like to visit museums? Yes, I love visiting museums. What's your favorite place to relax? I like to relax at the beach. Do you like learning languages? Yes, I'm interested in learning new languages. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I enjoy making new friends. Do you enjoy cooking for others? Yes, I love hosting dinner parties. Do you like early mornings? No, I'm not a morning person. Do you like going to concerts? Yes, I enjoy live music. What's your favorite kind of dessert? I love ice cream. Do you like watching sports? Yes, I like watching football. Do you prefer city life or country life? I prefer city life. What's your favorite thing about your city? I love the parks and restaurants. Do you like to shop online? Yes, I prefer online shopping. What's your favorite app on your phone? My favorite app is Instagram.